Hello TaleForges, in this video I want to focus on the RootLifetimeScope and lifetimes Singleton, Scoped and Transient. So let's get started. As you can see, I created directory for the previous video scripts. I want to prepare standalone materials for this series so that everyone can jump to the topic they want to learn. So let's create a new script, HelloWorldManager. We need to add IInitializable and IDisposable interfaces so we can see if our HelloWorldManager is registered correctly. Also, adjust namespace and remove default code from methods. Then we will create debug.log inside both methods, one with the message hello world and the other with the message bye world. Also, let's prepare the print method, which will be called from a test MonoInstance. Okay, it's time to create our RootLifetimeScope class. Let's inherit from LifetimeScope and add protected override void configure method with IContainerBuilder parameter. Inside it, we want to register HelloWorldManager class with entry point, so IInitializable, IDisposable. By default, it is Singleton. Let's call AsSelf to immediately create an instance of the HelloWorldManager. Great, let's go to the Unity, wait for the compilation process to finish. As you can see, I created two scenes, so we can easily switch between cases without any additional actions. Okay, so let's open VContainer 03 scene, then select Settings folder, right click, Create, VContainer, VContainerSettings. Choose correct path. We need to create RootLifetimeScope object and attach RootLifetimeScope script to it. Of course, drag and drop our newly created object to the prefabs folder. Last thing to do, drag and drop RootLifetimeScope reference to the VContainerSettings. Don't forget to remove RootLifetimeScope from the scene. Let's click play and as you can see, everything is working correctly. So now it's time to explain lifetimes. As we can read in the documentation, a singleton lifetime creates a single instance shared across all containers, ensuring that the same type cannot be registered more than once within a container. A transient lifetime produces a new instance every time an object is resolved. Simple as that. And a scope lifetime generates one instance per lifetime scope. This results in different instances for each child scope. Attention! Mono behaviors registered as scope are not automatically destroyed when lifetime scope is destroyed and scene is alive. If you want to destroy with lifetime scope, make it a child transfer of lifetime scope or consider implement IDisposable. Okay, let's go back to the Rider and create a new HelloWorldMonoInstance script. Here we want to inject HelloWorldManager. For this purpose, I will use injection through the method. We need to create a class variable HelloWorldManager and assign the injected value to it. Let's also add a debug.log to make sure the construct has execute. For debug purposes, I will add public getter for the manager so I can check if two instances are the same references. And let's create onEnable method in which we will call print from the HelloWorldManager. Now we need to implement HelloWorldMonoLifetimeScope with empty configure. We want to have different scopes to test. Inside this class, let's add two serialized fields, instance 1 and instance 2, for our HelloWorldMonoInstances. Then create an onEnable method and debug.log with a check condition to see if both instances are the same. That's it. Let's go back to Unity, wait for the compilation process to finish. Now let's create two HelloWorldMonoInstances. And next, prepare a HelloWorldMonoLifetimeScope and attach script to it. We need to drag and drop references so we can check if two instances have equal references. Also, drag and drop instances to the Auto Inject Game Objects section so our HelloWorldManager will be automatically injected to these mono behaviors. Okay, everything is prepared, so let's play. And as you can see, instance is the same. It makes sense because by default, registering with entry point has Singleton scope. So let's change HelloWorldManager Lifetime Scope to the scope. Then go back to the Unity editor. Let's create second HelloWorldMonoLifetimeScope. In one of the lifetime scopes, let's remove the first instance, and in the other, the second instance. This way we have different scopes for different instances. Let's click play and instances are not the same, just as we wanted. It's time to test last scope, Transient. So let's change the scope. In the Unity, we need to remove our second scope so we have single scope, but every instance of the HelloWorldManager will be resolved independently thanks to the Transient. Of course, let's drag and drop second instance. Okay, let's test it. Click play button. As you can see, instances are different. I hope I have given you a little insight into the issues of RootLifetimeScope, which is our Zenject ProjectContext in VContainer, and lifetime scopes. I would like to invite you to support us on the Patreon, where you can get the exclusive code, all models, materials or code used in the series, and access to early available content. Link in the description. Thank you for your time, I'm glad you are with us and our community is growing. See you soon in the next video.